Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome to the new LeetCode series. So from today we will be solving LeetCode tasks as well. So I have chosen a very easy one for today for the very beginning, so let's see what we need to do here. Okay, it's 2703, return length of arguments passed. So on the very left you can see a description, like write the function arguments length that returns the count of arguments passed to it. So we have some examples here. So if we have args, which is array by default, and it has element of 5, so output will be 1. So it's basically a length of this array. Same situation for example 2. So we have args and then we have array with 3 elements, so output will be 3. So it's very clear and intuitive, I believe. Okay, let's see constraints. So args is a valid JSON array, and args.length, which is property of JavaScript array, is between 100 and 0. Okay, so yeah, let's jump and let's solve this one. So it's very simple, and we will just say return, so args.length. Okay, let's try it out. So we have case 1, which is 5. We already seen this here. And case 2, which is empty array null, and string of 3, which are inside of the array. Okay, let me just quickly find run. Okay, run. And let's see if it works. Great, it works on 2 tests at least. And yeah, let's try to submit this one. Okay, yeah, that's it. Seems to be our solution and seems to be working just fine. Beats almost 60% of solutions, which is not bad, to be honest. But yeah, there's always a room for improvement. Okay guys, yeah, that was it for this episode, and I hope you will like it. So if you do, please like, share and subscribe so I'm aware that you like this series and I will continue with them. See you in the next episode.